Hi, my name is Karl. I'm a senior consultant for innovation and product management at Tagueri in Hamburg. That's where I work and I live, and now I'm here in Toulouse at Scalian for the En route program. My mission for the En route program is to exchange Scalian and Tagueri's culture, to get to know each other and to hopefully join superpowers in the future and do projects together. For the unmanned systems team, I'm doing innovation management, meaning having a look at their products and solutions, trying to create a business model for selling the product and their software for customers and to be able to scale it in the future. My expectation of the program definitely was to learn more about Scalian and your culture, to get to know new people, a new language and culture, a new very, very pretty town, Toulouse, and of course, really nice weather. My background is aviation engineer, but it has been quite some time that I've actually worked on that stuff and in that field. And with the team now I have a chance to dive back into aviation, drones and software development in general. The experience so far definitely has me looking at things from a new perspective and a new way again, simply because I've met new people, things are different here, so I'm dropping my old habits and making up my mind about things in a new way. The exchange is a really good experience. I can only suggest it to my colleagues at Tagueri, but also at Scalian. As I already mentioned, just meeting new people, getting a new perspective, this is so helpful for our everyday's work.